Hello, hi, good morning, everyone. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So in last session, just we had discussed about what overview of Microsoft Azure. Am I right? Yeah, now we people tell me, guys, what is the Azure? Any idea? Anyone? What is the Microsoft Azure? Note it down. Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services. What is that? Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services. Comprehensive set of cloud services, where we can deploy, manage, access the applications through global network data centers is called Microsoft Azure. What is the Azure? Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the application is called Microsoft Azure. Clear? Yeah, next. In Azure, there are three types of cloud service deployment models. There are three types of service deployment models. What are they, guys? Anyone? One is as, PaaS. Other one is what? SaaS. Now, if people tell me what all things comes under as. Anyone? What all things comes under as? Okay, the full form of the as is infrastructure as a service. Okay, so under as we have servers, storage, network, okay, database, load balancer. These all comes under as infrastructure as a services. Clear? So to create any server in Azure, just it will take a minute, not more than that, guys. If you would like to provision like 100 servers, yes, 100 servers, it will take just a minute to provision all 100 servers. Okay, yeah, next. Now, when you go for as, they are providing the servers. On top of it, installation, configuration, management, deployment, accessing, port configuration, patching activity, that all you have to take care. So total, they are providing the servers. On top of it, maintenance part should be taken care by ourselves. That is what as. Next, coming to the PaaS, they are providing runtime environment. I can call it as runtime environment. Okay, when you are coming to the runtime environment, they are providing ready-made environment. On top of it, you can host applications, guys. Okay, yeah, best example, all artificial intelligence application in Azure. Microsoft, they are deploying in PaaS services only. Okay, ready-made platform. So Microsoft providing ready-made platform in PaaS services where we can go and deploy our application. When you go for platform as a services, here you need not worry about managing the infrastructure part. Here managing the infrastructure part means configuration, management, deployment, patching activity, other services models you need not have to worry about. That will be taken care by Microsoft itself. Clear? Yeah, next, when you are coming to the SaaS, software as a services, it will be taken care by total Microsoft. Okay, can you tell me best example for software as a services, guys?
Salesforce.
M365. Microsoft 365. Short form nowadays, people are calling it as M365, guys. Okay, you know, right? There are many components are there under M365. What are they? OneDrive, Outlook, compliance, Power Automation, Power BI, Power Apps, PowerPoint. Okay, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Word, PPT, okay, SharePoint, SWA, Microsoft Teams. These all comes under what? Software as a services. Clear? Yeah, next. These are the types of cloud service deployment models. Next, types of cloud. Types of cloud computing. Oh, how many types of cloud computing are there in the market? How many types? Three types. What are they, guys? Can you list it down? Come on.
Yeah.
Public,
AWS.
private,
Public
Hybrid.
Private and hybrid.
Yeah, that is the confusion here. So there are two interview questions. Types of cloud service deployment models means as PaaS as. I am repeating, types of cloud deploy service models. In other words, I can say types of cloud service deployment models. Call three as PaaS as. Types of cloud computing in the sense public, private, hybrid. What is the public? The resources which can be accessible from anywhere in the world is called public. Am I right? Best example, tcs.com. This is the public site or private site? Come on, this is the public or private?
Public.
Yeah, it's a public. Okay, so anyone, anywhere we can access it. Okay, here private cloud in the sense, the resources which can be accessible within the corporate network is called private. Okay, best example, assume that tomorrow you are going to join in TCS. TCS will give you one laptop. Okay, so after you log into TCS provided laptop, what we have to do? First, we will connect it to VPN. Am I right? When you connect it to VPN, it will establish the connection to client network. Then all client related server, storage, network, database, that all we can access it. Am I right? So that is what private. Private in the sense, the resources which can be accessible within the corporate network is called private. Okay, hybrid in the sense what? The combination of public plus private, all hybrid cloud. So few applications are running on top of cloud and a few more applications running in private. If you establish the connection between these two and manage the activities, managing the platform, managing the services, that all we will call it as hybrid environment. What is that, guys? Hybrid environment. Clear? So you know, right? Simply in outside, we are calling it as what type of working model you are doing in the sense hybrid model. Hybrid model in the sense, you the combination of work from home, work from office called, we will call it as hybrid model. Am I right? Okay, same way, the combination of public plus private cloud called hybrid cloud. Clear? Okay, yeah, next. So simply we can say history of Microsoft Azure. There are many vendors are there to provide cloud computing technology. Am I right? Can you list it down few? Vendors. Here vendors in the sense, what does it mean? There are many vendors are there to provide cloud computing technology. Vendors means owner of the cloud. So I can say AWS, Google Cloud, Amazon, Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google, Oracle, IBM Plumbix, Alibaba, OpenStack. These all vendors are there to provide cloud computing technology. Okay, yeah, out of them very popular is, as I said, Microsoft Azure. Why Microsoft Azure is, Microsoft came up with Copilot operations, guys, Copilot chatbot. Okay, they had integrated with each and every product of Microsoft. Okay, yeah, next. Now, you know, Azure came into the picture in the year 2010. Later in the year 2014, they renamed Windows Azure as a Microsoft Azure. Now we are officially calling it as a Microsoft Azure, guys. Okay, yeah. So why Microsoft Azure is, one is low cost. Okay, one is low cost. Second thing is what? We can distribute our application across the globe in a minutes. I can say global reach. Global reach. Your data can be distributed across the globe in a minutes. Right? Yeah, next. Capacity. Dynamic capacity. Okay, capacity in the sense you can upgrade or downgrade the what size of virtual machine, size of services. Depends on business requirement. Clear? Best example, the consumption is very low. If you provision the service, if you provision the virtual machine with 200 CPUs and 500 GB RAM, it is waste of money, right? So drastically, dynamically, anytime, anywhere, wherever you want, you can upgrade or downgrade the size of virtual machines or size of capacity of services. Okay, so that is about what another thing. So compared, as you know that already, compared to AWS, Azure is less cost. Why? Because most of the products Microsoft has launched and most of the enterprise customers, enterprise consumers, they are using Microsoft Azure. Okay, yeah. Next, this is about what? Microsoft Azure. Difference between Azure and AWS. Okay, yeah. Next, now, as I said, there are many, what is that? There are many certification papers are there. Out of them, very popular in the market is what? Azure Administration. Okay, Azure Admin is 104. Certification paper is what? AZ 104. Okay, next Azure Developer. Okay, or we can say DevOps Engineer. Azure DevOps certification paper is AZ 400. Okay, as you said, we have 40 plus certification papers provided by Microsoft. Okay, each and every topic we have one certification, guys. I will list it down. See, Azure Administration, Azure Developer, Azure DevOps Engineer, Azure Artificial Intelligence, Azure Network Engineer, Azure Data Science, Azure Artificial Intelligence Advanced, Azure Data Science, okay, Azure SQL Server, Azure SQL Server Advanced. Clear? Okay, yeah. Next, Azure Cyber Security. Like we have 40 plus certification papers. Okay, but first, initially, you have to start our journey with Microsoft Azure. Okay, cloud is the package, guys, where we have everything and purchase it. Okay, simply I can say one vague statement is if you go for DMart, Reliance Mart and all, we will have each and everything over there. Am I right? If you go for Reliance Mart, we will have all home needs, applications, home needs, groceries, everything. Okay, cloths, okay, all home appliance and all, we can go and purchase it, right? Same way, cloud is one centralized location where we have all enterprise services. We can consume it as per our project requirement. That is called cloud. Okay, so whatever the services you are expecting, just you can consume it from cloud computing. That is the thing, guys. For example, I have one Java application. I need one virtual machine. Yeah, go ahead and provision deploy it. So my need is to create and deploy one artificial intelligence application. Yes, it is there. Consume it and integrate with your application and provide the service to customers. So everything is the what? Ready-made, I can say. Okay, that is the power of Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, yeah, next. Now, to know the certification syllabus, certification papers, go to learn.microsoft.com. I will give you this URL. You can bookmark it in some way. So this is it. Okay. Yeah. So when I'm coming to here, go to practice. These are the 44 certification. 44 certification papers are there. If we consume it, see designing and implementation AI solutions. AI fundamentals 900. AZ 104 developers. Okay, AZ 400 is the DevOps engineer. AZ 500 is what is that? Cyber security. Okay, 305 infrastructure. Okay, 700 is networking solution. 800 is what? Hybrid infrastructure. 900 is fundamentals. Okay, and 300, 402, 900, 203, 300. These are the dynamic 365 functional consultant. Okay, these are Azure related, guys. Okay, Microsoft for analysis. Okay, Power Platform. Everything they have included based on your requirement, we can go ahead and proceed it. Okay, so coming to the certification cost. Okay, here Microsoft certifications, click on browse certification. Okay, here you can filter it. Now I am clicking on Azure, looking for administrator. So this is the 104. This is the 104. Okay, if we consider India, go for India. Okay, 4,865. What is that? 4,865. Okay, plus 18% GST. What is that? 18% GST. Clear? 18% GST. So including GST and all, the certification cost will go around 5,800, around 6,000 US. Clear? So this is the overview of Microsoft Azure. So do you have any questions, any doubts? Feel free and ask me.
So, is there anything like which are the required certifications we need to do, like recommended ones? Because
Yeah,
all
recommended.
40 certifications, I don't think like it's
Nothing.
good to go.
Yeah. Yeah. If you know all 40 certifications, then you should know entire product of Microsoft.
So, like for the uh, Azure administration, what are the recommended ones, and the
Yeah,
for the
only
DevOps,
Azure
what are the
administration and DevOps, guys. Azure admin is 104. Azure DevOps is AZ 400. Got it? Okay, that is the entry point. So
okay?
after
And for
entry,
this cert, yeah,
yeah.
sorry. For this certification, there will be like basis certification, right? AZ 900 types, and afterwards only we can apply for this
No.
certification.
Yeah, that is up to you. AZ without writing AZ fundamentals 900, directly you can go for administration.
Okay.
Okay, so in that course, AZ 900 is already included. That is the part of AZ 104 only. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any queries, any doubts?
So in this course, we'll cover the things which are required for the certifications as well, correct? So
Yes,
after this course, we can go for this, at least for these two certifications.
yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, the certification questions will vary 40 to 50, guys. Some people will get 42, some people will get 46, some people will get 43. That we cannot predict, but questions will be vary 40 to 50 queries. Questions, I can say. Okay, that should be 1.5 hours. They are giving C. You will have 100 minutes to complete the assessment. Okay,
Terms.
yeah. So, exam policy will be protested open the and you can see the exam. So your certificate will be once you fail the certification exam, don't worry, you can retake it in 24 hours after first attempt. Okay, subsequent retakes that amount of time varies. The full details you can visit. Okay, clear. So mostly all Azure certification cost would be 4,800, guys. See, now remote administrator, I need DevOps engineer. So this is the DevOps engineer. go to here. And you are coming to here, scroll down, India. Okay, 4,860. Okay, we can see including plus 18% GST is what? 6,000. Okay. Yeah. Next. So now I'm going to discuss about what are the certification syllabus which I'm going to cover. So certification syllabus also you can bring it here, guys. Whatever the site I have shown you, right? They are giving clear topics. We can proceed. You can get the questions from those topics only, not beyond that. Okay, so according to that, I have prepared, you know, right? Most of the interview questions and all will come from certification only, certification syllabus and certification queries only. Okay, yeah, next. So I'm going to discuss about AZ104 and AZ400. Okay, this is the 104 syllabus. This one, this one. Okay, yeah, see. So this is the module one. First, introduction about cloud. Already we discussed it. Okay. Second module, Azure platform. Okay. Here we will discuss about introduction of Azure, features, services. We will go through that portal under. Third one is Azure subscription. What is the subscription, guys? Any idea? What is the subscription?
Privileges, sir.
Subscription is nothing but it's a license. Okay. Subscription is nothing but what? Is a license. Next, module 4, creating the storage account. Module 4 is what? Creating storage account. Okay, yeah, next. Module 5, storage solutions. Okay, yeah, next. Module 6 is a storage administration, like permissions, how to create provision, how to integrate with different types of services. That all we'll discuss about module 6. Okay, module 7, networking. So networking is a hot topic, guys. If you go for any cloud computing, network is a fundamental and key topic. Key topic in the sense, without network, we cannot deploy any service in the world. Am I right? Yes or no? Your mobile, laptop, desktop, tab, all together communicating to network. Keep it as either it is public or private, but it is communicating to your network. Okay, so how we can configure the public network and host it? How we can configure private network and host it? That all we'll discuss it in module 7. Okay, module 8 is the virtual machines. Okay, module 8 is the virtual machines. Okay, module 9, module 10, implementing and managing the deployment applications. Okay, yeah, next. Module 11, module 12 is, what is that? Implementing Azure App Services. Yeah, next module 13 and 14 is what? PaaS services. So till module 12, it is as services, guys. As in the sense, virtual machine, storage, network, database, these all comes under IaaS. Okay, module 13 onwards, it is what? PaaS services. PaaS in the sense platform as a service. They are providing ready-made environment. For example, Azure SQL Server, Azure App Services, okay, Function App, Logic App, okay, Azure Artificial Intelligence Services. These all comes under platform as a services. Okay, next, module 16, implementing Azure Active Directory. So this is the another pillar of Microsoft Azure, another pillar of Microsoft Azure. Okay, Active Directory in the sense, what does it mean, guys? Recently Microsoft had changed the name called Microsoft Entra. What is that? Microsoft Entra. Got it? Next, module 18, 19, 20. These are the load balancer. Okay, how to manage the resource groups, how to manage the, what is that, airbag roles, how to manage the traffic manager, that all we will discuss about what? Module 18, 19. Okay, 19 and 20. Next, module 21, 22, 23. These all comes under what? IAC. Please note it down. IAC in the sense infrastructure as a code. Okay, infrastructure as a code means automation. Please remember, in cloud computing, if you go for AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, IBM, Bluemix, okay, Oracle Cloud, IAC, if you hear the term, is nothing but scripting languages. Using them, we can provision the infrastructure. We can provision the application deployment. We can provision the services. Clear? Yeah, what is that? PowerShell, ARM template, Terraform. Okay, so this is about ARM template. This is not comes under the syllabus, guys, but this is the scripting language. Using that, we can provision the services using DevOps pipelines. Okay, CI/CD pipelines. Okay, that's why I have added that model. This model I have added in even in, what is that, DevOps syllabus as well. This is the overview of Azure Administration AZ104. Okay,
Um,
yeah.
yes, sir. What comes under the Azure Data Factory ADF?
Azure Data Factory, that comes under data engineer, guys.
Okay.
Azure Data Engineer. That is the separate certification paper. DP 200, DP 102, it will come. Here you can go. Learn.azure.com and go for certification. Okay, Azure. Here data engineer. Yeah, data engineer. Okay, Azure Data Engineer Associates. Okay, this is the paper. Okay, guys. Now this is the paper. Okay, so I think it comes under DP 200. I haven't mentioned.
Okay, got it, sir.
You can see. Take practice assessment. Yeah, DP 203, guys. Okay, data engineering on Microsoft. When you go for data engineering, no, you can go ahead and explain about data factory, data bricks, SQL Synapse. These are the topics. These three topics comes under data engineering. Got it, guys? Whoever asked this question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, next. Now navigate to Azure DevOps. Okay, this is the Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps comes under SaaS, guys, software as a services. What is that? Azure DevOps comes under what? Software as a services. Okay, here we can see model 30, model 3, working as Azure App Services. Okay, DevOps, Azure DevOps pipelines. Okay, then we can go for module 5. Here we will discuss about Azure repository. Okay, module 6 is SCM, source code management. Module 7 is GitHub and the continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay, module 10 is a release management. You know, right? Agile model, guys. Module 11, 12 is the Agile model. What is the Agile? Any idea? Can anyone tell me what is the Agile?
It's a methodology.
Yes, Agile
Software
is the
development.
SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. Okay, do you know previously we were using different model for project implementation? What does it mean? What is that model? Waterfall method. Have you heard about it? Waterfall. While you are studying,
Yes.
మీరు బీటెక్ ఎంసీఏ చేసేటప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ వస్తుంటుంది, రైట్?
Yes.
Project implementation. Okay, project implementation which contain 5 stages: project requirement gathering, analysis, implementation, test, deployment. Am I right? So same way, Agile model is very, very, very advanced. Nowadays, all 100%, I am not telling even 99.95%, all 100% project are implementing based on Agile model nowadays. Okay, yeah, so what is the Agile? How we can implement, how we can process the Agile model, that we'll see model 11. Model 12 and 13, this is all about containerization platform. And monitoring 16 is what? Monitoring. 18 is installing Docker Kubernetes. That all about what? Discuss about model 18, 19. What is the Docker? How we can install the Docker on Linux and Windows. And then Kubernetes is the advanced topic. What is the AKS? How Microsoft has nicely designed AKS cluster to host their application. That we'll see model 19. Model 20 is the Terraform automation. Okay, how we can design the golden templates, Terraform templates. Using these template, how we can process CI/CD pipelines. Okay, so here DevOps in the sense, two things, please remember. One is provisioning the infrastructure, first part. Second part is deploying your application automation. Two parts only, guys. Okay, using DevOps, one is provisioning the resources in cloud, one part. Second part is automating deployment of your application. That is second. DevOps in the sense only two modules mainly. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So this is the overview of Microsoft Azure. Next, another thing is how to subscribe for Azure free trial. Okay. So to subscribe for Azure free trial, we have to follow 4 steps, not more than that. So, okay, first thing, you need to pass your information, guys. Okay, you need to pass your information. Okay, information in the sense, info. Okay, first step, your information. Your information means first name, last name, and you need to provide your address details. Okay, second thing is what? What is the second thing? You need to pass your mobile number. Okay, when you pass your mobile number, okay, when you pass your mobile number, you will get 6-digit OTP. Okay, that you need to enter. Next, when you pass, what is that? Another thing, third step is you need to pass credit and debit card details. It will accept credit and debit card details. Then you will be debited 2 rupees. That amount will be back to your account within max 10 minutes, guys. So just it is for validation purpose whether you are genuine user or not. Okay. Yeah. So then you will get fourth steps, agree terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. Okay. Once this process is completed, your Azure portal subscription will be complete. Then you will get 16,700 free credits. We can call them as what? Free credits. Okay, these credits can be consumed for 30 days. After 30 days, automatically your account will get deactivated. Then again, you have to create new account. Clear? Yeah. Any queries? Any doubts? Okay, so to subscribe for Azure free trial, it is not a big challenge. It is not a rocket science. Okay, how we people are subscribing for Gmail account and all right, it is same. Now go to azure.microsoft.com. This is the documentation. I am pinging you in the chat. Okay. So this side is enough, guys. Only this side. I am asking you to remember only this side. Okay. So coming to some people will ask, is there any good book to read it out? Is there any good author to read it out? Forget about all these things. Once market is moved to cloud market now, nothing is there. You know, right? We are keeping on keeping on getting the changes in product. Okay, so 100% you have to follow what is that? Our documentation only. Okay, don't ask me good book, good author to read it out. Those days are gone. Now everything documentation. Every day we are getting lot of enhancement, lot of changes into the product. Okay, just we have to verify all these things. Now, see, this is the site. Go for new infrastructure. Click on here. Okay, yeah. Now, go to get started with Azure. Okay, so this is the free account. This is the what pay as you go model. Okay, free account, it is 30 days, guys. See, 30 days. Beyond 30 days, you should go to pay as you go model. Okay, so once it is done, start for free Azure. Here we have one link. Okay, immediately it will ask for your credentials. Here you can enter the what is that, email, Outlook, anything. I have Gmail account, you can use it. Okay, pass the password. Okay, Gmail, yes. Okay, agree. Terms and conditions, next. Sign up. See, okay, 1491. Now sign up. Okay, so I want to give you. Already I have passed all these details for many batches and all. It won't ask me email, mobile account number and all. Okay, so here you need to enter. Let me check it again. Sorry. Okay, agree terms and conditions. So add new payment method. Here you need to enter the credit card details, mobile number, card number, CVV, everything. Click on next. After entering these things, now just click on here. This is the my details. Sign up. When you sign up now, already we have consumed this credit card. I will not able to create this account. Why? Because already credit card, whatever I have passed, already I have consumed. That's why it is giving error message. You are not eligible for Azure free account. In our case, it won't happen. You people can go ahead and subscribe for Azure free trial. Okay. I hope this is helpful for you. Before coming to the session tomorrow, please do subscribe for Azure free trial. If you are facing any issues, please let me know in tomorrow's session. I will clarify all your queries. Okay. Clear? Do you have any queries, any doubts? Yeah. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day.
We
So
have
someone
question
asked
in the
me.
chat box.
Yeah. So real-time project. Yes, the application deployment process and all. I will cover around 4 to 5 projects, guys. With that, you can keep it in your resume. You can process. I will show you real-time deployment and process and all. So type of project and type of client, that all you have to take care about your resume preparation. Any real-time projects for resume. So it won't helpful, guys. If I say some projects, if you keep it on resume, you know, right? Nowadays, AI came into the picture. They are monitoring everything. Okay, keep some projects. Take the help from real-time professionals. That should be at least 50% genuine. Okay, whatever I give the project, if you keep it in same resume, it is marketing, it won't helpful for you. Even it won't get, what is that? Scheduling the interview calls as well. Nowadays, AI came into the picture. Okay. They are filtering everything. Clear? Yeah. Next, when you will create the WhatsApp group, yes, once this batch is formed now, I will create the WhatsApp group. Whatever the requirement you had, you can post it over there. I will respond for you. Okay. Any more queries? Ben, Chanikya, Ganesh, Sam.
Sir, for this certification, we'll get that like dumps or something or questions which we can prepare.
Yes. I will share the interview questions, real time probed questions and all. I have already shared. I will share the documentation.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, timings will be same. It won't get changed. 8 to 9 p.m. guys. 9 a.m. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.